Hi everyone, welcome to Chandan Logics. You all know that students who are preparing for bank, SSC, railway, police, defense, CSAT and other competitive exams are very familiar about Chandan Logics. Why the reason is, Chandan Logics have trained lakhs of students, and out of those lakhs of students, already thousands of students secured government jobs in various sectors. Now, how this is possible to us? This is possible to us only because of our expert faculty team and our exclusive designed curriculum for examination. If you observe our expert faculty team, each and every faculty is having vast experience and they're having in-depth subject knowledge based on the present examination pattern, and they have trained lakhs of students. And coming to our curriculum, we have designed our curriculum in such a way that our video lectures are completely digital interactive video lectures where we are going to teach each and every subject in depth, complete concept oriented teaching and complete time saving techniques based on the recent examinations. And we are going to conduct mock examinations also. These mock examinations are exclusively based on the real-time experience of what actual examination is going to happen. And we are going to provide you complete concept-oriented PDF materials also. If you are a serious aspirant and looking for the right platform to achieve your dream job, download Chandan Logics app.
Let us discuss model number 1. So model number 1 is, in which direction is he facing now? So what I am going to do is, first I am going to explain the concept with a simple example. Once after completion of concept, then we are going to solve questions based upon this. Okay? So what all you guys need to do is listen the concept carefully. Once if the concept is clear, then solving questions will be very simple. Now look here, I am going to say you one example. Observe carefully. Let us say example, a person walks 20 meters towards north. Okay? A person walks 20 meters towards north and turns right, followed by left, followed by left, followed by right, followed by right. In which direction is he facing now? Now this is my question. Okay, I am repeating this question one more time, and even you guys need to say what is the answer for this question. Okay, this is very basic question, as already we have basic knowledge about directions, what is left, what is right. Already we have basic idea about this. That is the reason even you need to say what is the answer for this question. Okay, I am repeating the question one more time. A person walks 20 meters towards north, turns to his right, followed by left, followed by left, followed by right, followed by right. In which direction is he facing now? And when I say followed, the meaning is like after right turn he will take left turn. Again followed means again after that he will take left turn. Okay, so if you observe, right turn followed by left turn means first he will take right turn, after that he will take left turn, again after that he will take left turn, again after that he will take right turn, finally he is taking right turn. In which direction is he facing now? Now this is our question. Okay, now if you observe, to solve this question in a normal traditional way, that is representing a diagram. Yes or no? Most of the guys, when I say to solve the question, they will represent the diagram. They will represent the diagram and they will say the answer. But truly speaking, representing diagram is completely waste of time in examination. But I will show you how to solve this question using a traditional way and how to solve this question in a smart way as well. I am going to show you both the ways. Observe here carefully. Now if you observe, what person has done? Person traveled towards north. Yes or no? Now already you know what is north. Already I have told you clearly, whatever the direction you are facing, it is north direction. Your right hand side is east, your left hand side is west, and towards down it is nothing but south. Okay, always you need to follow the same reference. Okay, with the same reference you need to solve the questions based upon directions. Now he is going 20 meters towards north. Okay, observe here. Let us say person is starting from here and he moves 20 meters towards north. Okay, 20 meters towards north. After that what happened? He turns right. Now if you observe here, when I say right or when I say left, it means 90 degrees right, 90 degrees left. Okay, Now if you observe here, when I say right, you need to turn 90 degrees right. If you observe here, when the person is traveling towards north direction, already we have discussed right is same as our right, left is same as our left, yes or no? Now as the person is traveling towards north direction, right is same as our right. So person is going to take right turn. So right turn means towards east direction. Okay. Next. After that what happened? He is turning left. Yes or no? Now he should turn towards left. When the person is traveling towards east direction, left is nothing but towards north direction. Yes or no? Left is nothing but towards north. Again after that what happened? After that he is taking again left turn. Okay. Now when the person is traveling towards north direction, left is nothing but towards west direction. Yes or no? That is left is nothing but same as our left, which is nothing but towards west direction. After that what happened? After that he took right turn. Now observe carefully. When the person is traveling towards west, right turn is nothing but towards north. Yes or no? Now he is taking right turn, which means he is traveling towards north direction. After that what happened? After that again he turns right. Now if you observe, person is traveling towards north direction. As the person is traveling towards north direction, right turn means that is nothing but same as our right. Okay, which means person is traveling towards east direction. Okay, now question is completed. What is our question? Our question is, in which direction is he facing now? Now if you observe, finally person is traveling in this direction. Yes or no? Finally person is traveling in this direction. Now what is this direction? What is this direction means? Already we have told our right hand side is nothing but east direction. Yes or no? Now the person is traveling in this way. As the person is traveling in this way, we can say the person is facing towards east direction. Yes or no? Which means answer for this question is going to be east direction. Okay, very simple and basic question. Just we have followed whatever the question has said. So person traveled initially 20 meters towards north. After that turns right, followed by left, followed by left, followed by right, followed by right. In which direction is he facing now? Now if you observe, the person is facing in this way. Now this is nothing but east direction. Yes or no? This is east direction. So we can say answer for this question is going to be east. But truly speaking, in examination point of view, if you are going to do all this, then obviously you are going to waste your time in examination. Yes or no? Then how to solve these type of questions very easily without using diagram? Without using diagram, how to solve these type of questions very easily? Okay, observe carefully. I am going to say you some few important points. You just remember those points, then obviously you can solve these type of questions very easily. Okay, observe here. So what you have to remember is, look here carefully, whenever you come across same, whenever you come across same, you are supposed to add it. Okay, whenever you come across same, you are supposed to add. What is same? I will say you, don't worry. Okay, whenever you come across same, you are supposed to add it. Similarly, whenever you come across different, so whenever you come across different, you are supposed to cancel them. Okay, you are supposed to cancel. What is same and what is different? I will explain. Observe here carefully. Now if you observe, same means left. This is like same. Yes or no? Left is same. Similarly, right. Now this is same. Yes or no? Whenever you come across left, you are supposed to add it. Similarly, whenever you come across right, you are supposed to add it. But when you come across different or opposite, what it may be, different or opposite, both of them are like same, then what you will do is like you are going to cancel them. Cancel them means different meaning is like left, right. Okay, left, right. You can say different or else you can say opposite. Any of them is like fine. Opposite, different or opposite, any of them is fine. So same, you are supposed to add it. Whenever you come across opposite, you are supposed to cancel it. Opposite means one left, one right. Left to opposite is like right. Yes or no? So whenever you come across same, you are supposed to add it. Whenever you come across a different, or opposite, what it may be, then you are supposed to cancel them. Same means left is same, right is same, so you can add them. Opposite means left opposite is right, then you are supposed to cancel them. Okay, now I am going to show you with a simple example. Let us say example, when you are solving the question, let us say question is in this way: left, right, left, right. Let us say question is in this way. Now according to our rule, this is our rule, yes or no? This is our rule. Now this is what we have discussed: same, add, opposite, cancel. This is what we have discussed. Now according to our rule, what I told, you can cancel opposite one. When you are cancelling them, how you can cancel is one left, one right, you can cancel. Two lefts, two rights, you can cancel. Three lefts, three rights, you can cancel. So simply speaking, equal number of lefts, equal number of rights, you can cancel them. Okay, now if you observe here, one left, one right, I can cancel. Similarly, one left, one right, I can cancel. Finally, I am left out with what? Finally, I am left out with left. Yes or no? Finally, I am left out with left, which means finally I need to turn left. That's it, nothing more than that. You should not do like left turn, right turn, left turn, right turn. You should not do all those things. Just to follow this rule. After following this rule, if you are left out with only one left, which means you are supposed to turn 90 degrees left. Okay, why means already I have told you, each left, each right is same as 90 degrees left, 90 degrees right. Yes or no? Now some of you may have a doubt. What happen if you are having two lefts? Even then, no worries. Now let us example, if the question is in this way, let us say I am adding one more left. Now if you observe here, after cancellation, you are left out with two lefts. Yes or no? As you are left out with two lefts, now you can say this is going to be 2L. Now 2L means what? This is nothing but 90 degree plus 90 degree. So total 180 degrees you are supposed to turn. Okay. Each left or each right is nothing but 90 degrees left, 90 degrees right. Okay. If you are having one left, which means you are supposed to turn 90 degrees left. If you are having two lefts, then you are supposed to turn 180 degrees left. Now let us example, if you are having three lefts, okay, if you are going to have three lefts, if you are going to have three lefts, then what you are supposed to do? If you are having three lefts, then 390s means you are supposed to turn 270 degrees left. Is that clear? Very important point. Just remember this point, nothing more than that. Same, add, opposite, cancel. That's it, nothing more than that. Finally, if you are left out with left, you will turn, if you are left out with one left, you will turn 90 degrees left. If you are left out with two lefts, you will turn 180 degrees left. If you are left out with three lefts, then you are going to turn 270 degrees left. Similarly with respect to right also. Okay. Now sometimes some of you may have doubt. What happen if everything is going to cancel? If everything is going to cancel means now equal number of lefts, equal number of rights are there in the question, then everything will be cancelled and finally you are left out with nothing, that is 0. Then what you have to do means you should not do anything, which means you are in the same place. Yes or no? You are in the same place. If nothing was there means you are going to be in the same place. Is that clear? Just remember this key point. Once if you know this point, these type of questions can be solved very easily. Now observe here, this question can be solved very easily without representing this diagram. When we represent this diagram, we came to know that answer is going to be east. Yes. Now without representing this diagram, using the shortcut, what is the answer? Let us observe. What is the answer? I have told you opposite we have to cancel. Yes or no? Opposite means left, right are opposite. So look here, one right, one left gets cancelled. Similarly, one left, one right gets cancelled. Finally, you are left with what? Finally, you are left with right, which means you need to turn right. You need to turn right from the given direction. From the given direction. Our direction is north direction. Yes or no? From north, you are supposed to turn 90 degrees right. Yes or no? From north, you are supposed to turn 90 degrees right. Now, if you observe, this is north. Yes. From north, you need to turn 90 degrees right. Now if you observe, this is right, this is left, yes or no? So 90 degrees right means we know that this is going to be 90 degree, yes or no? From north, if I turn 90 degrees right, then my answer is going to be east, yes or no? Even if you observe here, the same answer we got earlier. Is that clear? Very, very simple. Without representing the diagram, just by knowing the basic points what we have discussed now, if we know these basic points, these type of questions can be answered very, very easily. And don't forget, whatever the difference we have here, this is nothing but 90 degrees. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Okay. And if you are having in between, already we have told, this is what? This is northeast direction. Yes or no? As this is northeast direction, then what is the angle between these two? Angle between these two is going to be 45 degree. Why means if this is 90 degree, half of this means this should be 45 degree and this should be 45 degree. Yes or no? So remember these key points. Okay. So just remember only one point. Whenever you have these type of questions, in which direction is he facing now? Whenever you have these type of questions, just follow only one rule, that is same add, opposite cancel. So after that, finally whatever you are left out, based upon that you can follow the direction. Okay. Now observe it carefully. Now again some of the students will get confused, saying like right turn, left turn, how to turn. Again some of them get confused. That is the reason, observe carefully. When I say right, how you are supposed to turn? When I say left, how you are supposed to turn? Remember carefully. Finally, if you are supposed to turn right, whether it may be 90 degrees right or 180 degrees right or 270 degrees right, whatever it may be. When I say right, you are supposed to turn towards clockwise. You are supposed to turn towards clockwise. Even this is important point. If you are finally left out with left, left means now this is going to be anti-clockwise direction. Okay, anti-clockwise direction. Is it clear? This is going to be anti-clockwise. So this is also important point. If you observe here, again many of the students get confused while turning left right. That is the reason I am making this point also clear. So if you are supposed to turn right, right means now this is going to be clockwise direction. Okay. If you are supposed to turn left, left means this is going to be anti-clockwise direction. That is the reason whenever you come across right, you are supposed to turn clockwise direction. Whenever you come across left, then you are supposed to turn anti-clockwise direction. Is it clear? Very, very important and very, very simple point. Now I am going to explain with one more question. Observe carefully. Once after the concept is clear, then we are going to solve more questions based upon this. Okay. One more question. Observe carefully. Let us example, person is traveling towards west direction. Person travels west direction 10 meters. Okay. Person travels 10 meters towards west and turns to his right, followed by right, followed by left, followed by left, followed by left, followed by right, followed by left, followed by right, followed by right. In which direction is he facing now? Now this is my question. Okay. Now you have to say what is the answer for this question. Just a fraction of seconds you can say the answer for this question. Why means already you know how to solve these questions using the shortcut technique whatever we have learned just now. Okay. I am repeating the question one more time. Person travels 10 meters towards west, turns right, followed by right, followed by left, followed by left, followed by right, followed by left, followed by right, followed by right. In which direction is he facing now? This was our question. Okay. Already you know how to solve this question. Okay. Same, add, opposite, cancel. Yes or no? Now if you observe, right, left, one right, one left gets cancelled. If you observe here, right, left gets cancelled. left, right gets cancelled, left, right gets cancelled. Finally, you are left out with what? Finally, you are left out with right, which means you are supposed to turn 90 degrees right. Okay, you are supposed to turn 90 degrees right. Now observe carefully. 90 degrees right means from the initial position. From the initial position. If you observe, what is our initial position? Our initial position is west. So from west, he was supposed to turn 90 degrees right. Now if you observe here, this is west, yes or no? From west, he is supposed to turn 90 degrees right. Already I told you, right means you are supposed to turn clockwise direction. Left means you are supposed to turn anti-clockwise direction. So clockwise direction, you know what is clockwise direction? Yes or no? So that is reason from west, I need to turn 90 degrees clockwise. From west, if I turn 90 degrees clockwise, then my answer is going to be north, which means the person is going to face towards which direction means person is going to face towards north direction. Is that clear? If you are going to represent this using diagram, then it is going to completely waste your time. Yes or no? That is the reason whenever you have questions saying like in which direction is he facing now. So whenever you have questions in which direction is he facing now, just follow the technique whatever we have discussed. So the technique whatever we have discussed is same you are supposed to add, opposite you are supposed to cancel. Same means left is same, right is same. So whenever you come across same, you can add it. Whenever you come across opposite means left, right is opposite. Whenever you come across opposite, you can cancel them. And one more important point, when I say left, you are supposed to move anti-clockwise direction. When I say left, you are supposed to move anti-clockwise direction. And when I say right, then you are supposed to move clockwise direction. Is it clear? Now this is the concept behind model number 1. Once if the concept is clear, then solving these questions will be very simple. Now we are going to solve questions based upon that. Observe carefully. A starts walking towards north, turns left, again turns left, turns right, again turns left, turns right, again turns right. In which direction is A walking now? So our question is, in which direction is A walking? In which direction A is walking or in which direction A is facing now? Both of them will be same. Okay. Now observe carefully. If you observe, truly speaking, I can say the answer directly by looking at the question itself. But as it was beginning, I am going to write the question again here and I am going to explain. Okay. Observe here carefully. A starts moving which direction? North direction. So initially he traveled towards north direction. Whether he traveled 10 meters or 15 meters or 12 meters, it is not mentioned. So even it is not necessary also in this question. Okay. So he traveled towards north direction. After that, what happened? He turns left, again turns left, turns right, again turns left, turns right, again turns right. In which direction is A facing now? Now this is our question. Okay. Now observe here. You know how to calculate same, add, opposite, cancel. Now look here. One left, one right, cancel. One left, one right, cancel. One left, one right, cancel. Which means if you observe here, everything is going to be cancelled. If everything is cancelled means you should not turn left, you should not turn right. Which means you are going to be in the same position. Same position means initially he is facing towards north. Now finally also he should face towards north. Yes or no? Finally he should face north means our answer is going to be option 1. Is that clear? Why means if you observe here, here you are having 3 left. Similarly you are having 3 right. So 3 lefts, 3 rights get cancelled. If 3 lefts, 3 rights get cancelled means finally you are left with nothing. As you don't have anything, you should not turn left, you should not turn right. Okay. Why means finally you are left with nothing, which means he is going to be in the same direction. Same direction means he started initially towards north direction. So finally also he is going to face towards north direction. Is that clear? Very simple question. And truly speaking, even I need not represent here. Just by looking at the question itself, I can say the answer. Yes or no? In the question itself, I can directly strike it. Observe here, if I strike one left, one right gets cancelled. One left, one right gets cancelled. One left, one right gets cancelled. If you observe here, everything is cancelled. Nothing is left out. Which means initially he is facing towards north. Finally also he is going to face towards north. So I can say answer is option 1, which is like north direction. Is it clear? So truly speaking, once if you know this technique, these type of questions can be answered in just a fraction of seconds. Nothing more than that. Just fraction of seconds. You need to remember only the key point whatever I have told you. Same, add. Opposite, cancel. Nothing more than that. Is it clear? Let us look at next question. Chandu starts walking towards east, turns left, turns right, turns right, turns left, finally turns left. In which direction is Chandu facing now? So we are supposed to know in which direction he is facing now. Now observe here. Now if you observe, initially he traveled towards east direction. Yes. After that he turns left. So left, right gets cancelled. Next, right, left gets cancelled. Next, this is left, this is also left. Now if you observe, finally you are left with two lefts. Yes or no? Finally you are left with two lefts. Already I told you, each left, each right is nothing but 90 degrees left, 90 degrees right. Yes or no? As you are left with two lefts, so 2 into 90, now this is nothing but 180 degree. Which means he was supposed to turn 180 degrees left. 180 degrees left from the starting position. Starting position is east. Yes. So from east he was supposed to turn 180 degrees left. Now if you observe here, when you come across 180 degree is nothing but exactly opposite. Yes or no? As 180 degrees is nothing but exactly opposite, I can say whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise, it doesn't matter. Why means 180 degree is nothing but opposite. Yes, this is nothing but 180 degree. Even this is nothing but 180 degree. So when I say 180 degree, I can simply say answer is opposite one is my answer. And again left turn, right turn, truly speaking it is not really important. Why means 180 degree is nothing but exactly opposite. So if you observe, for east opposite is what? West. So I can say answer for this question is going to be west. Is it clear? Very, very simple. Just by looking at the question itself, you can say the answer. If you want, you can write also. If you want, you can write it as initially he traveled towards east direction. After that he turns left, turns right, turns right, turns left, turns left, turns left. You can write in this way, and if you want you can cancel left right cancel, right left cancel, finally you're left with two left. You can do in this way also. But why to write and waste our time? Anyway you have the question clearly. Just strike off them orally. If you strike them, finally you're left with two lefts. Two lefts means 90 plus 90, 180 degree. He was supposed to turn 180 degrees left. But we know that 180 degrees is nothing but exact opposite. That is the reason initially he is facing towards west. So 180 degrees means he was supposed to face towards, initially he is facing towards east. 180 degrees means he was supposed to face towards west direction. So answer for this question is going to be west. Is that clear? Let us look at next question. Mintu starts walking towards southwest, turns right, turns left, turns right, again turns left, turns right, again turns right. In which direction is Mintu walking now? Now if you observe here, initially person is traveling towards southwest direction. When the question is given as southwest direction, now again some of the students will get tensed. But truly speaking, even this question is exactly similar to our previous questions. No difference, no difference. Don't forget, try to know the concept. Once if you know the concept, whether it is west direction or southwest direction, it doesn't change. That is the reason learning the concept is very, very important. Once if you are strong in concept, then automatically you can solve even these type of questions very easily. Okay, concept is very important. Now if you observe, person first traveling towards southwest direction. Okay, person traveling towards southwest direction. Now look here, right left gets cancelled. Next, right left gets cancelled. This is right, this is right, this is also right. Now if you observe, finally you are left with 3 rights. Yes or no? Finally you are left with 3 rights. 3 rights means, now this is nothing but 3 into 90, which is 270 degree. Yes or no? 3 into 90, now this is 270 degree, which means he was supposed to turn 270 degrees right. He was supposed to turn 270 degrees right from the starting position. Starting position is southwest direction. Yes, now this is southwest. From southwest, he was supposed to turn 270 degrees right. Already I have told you, right means clockwise direction, left means anti-clockwise direction. Why means, again some of the students will get confused. Right means whether I need to go in this way or I need to go in this way. Again students get confused. That is the reason, straightforward point, whenever you are dealing with these type of questions, if I say right, you are supposed to move clockwise direction. When I say left, you are supposed to move anti-clockwise direction. Now this is 270 degrees right. So turn 270 degrees right. Now if you are going to turn 270 degrees right from southwest if you turn 270 degrees right, this is 180 degrees right. Yes. Now this is nothing but 270 degrees right. So we can say answer for this question is going to be southeast direction. So southeast direction, which is going to be option 4. Is it clear? Very simple. Finally you are left with 270 degrees right. Right is nothing but clockwise direction. So from southwest, why means initially he is facing towards southwest direction. From southwest we are supposed to turn 270 degrees right. So from southwest, if you are going to turn 270 degrees towards right, that is in clockwise direction, then final answer is going to be southeast. So we can say answer for this question is going to be southeast direction. Is it clear? Very simple. You say answer for this question. I am going to give you just 3 seconds of time. So just look at the question and say what is the answer for this question. Okay, just 3 seconds, nothing more than that. Look at the question and say what is the answer. Okay, hope you guys got the answer. Look at the question. Sita starts walking towards northeast, turns left, turns right, turns right, turns left, turns right, turns left, finally turns right. In which direction Sita is facing now? So we are supposed to know in which direction is she facing now. Now observe here. Initially Sita is facing towards northeast direction. Okay. Now if you observe, one left, one right gets cancelled. Next, one right, one left gets cancelled. One right, one left gets cancelled. Finally, we are left with only right. Right means 90 degrees right. Yes or no? Finally, we are left with right. So we are supposed to turn 90 degrees right. So 90 degrees right from northeast direction. Look here, this is northeast direction. From northeast direction, we are supposed to turn 90 degrees right. 90 degrees right means clockwise. So clockwise, we are supposed to turn 90 degree. When we turn 90 degree clockwise, we can say answer is going to be southeast direction. So southeast direction, which is going to be option 4. Is it clear? Very simple. Just to read the question and follow the rules whatever we have said initially. Once if you are going to follow that, these type of questions can be answered very easily. In these type of questions, you will have question always in this way, saying like in which direction is he facing now, or in which direction is she facing now, whatever it may be. Whenever you have questions in which direction they are facing, if you have these type of questions, you can solve these type of questions just by following the rules whatever we have said. Is it clear?
If you're a serious aspirant and if you're looking for right platform to achieve your dream job, immediately download Chandan app. For more details, contact below numbers. Thank you. All the best.